In this video today, I'm going to practically show you step-by-step process on how you can make 100 USD in a day. And this is not a get rich quick, so if that is what you are looking for, this video is not for you. This video is what you have to put a little hard work into it. You have to learn one or two things, but it is, I assure you, it's doable. It's something that even a 10-year-old can learn how to do. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm going to also show you how you can create a book cover like this one and convert it, let me to something like this. Okay, we are going to also learn all that before the end of this video. I'm not hiding anything. I will show you directly because I am together with a friend of mine just visited, and in short while I just received a notification. I told her, please, I received a gig, let me quickly create this gig because it's a premium. She was like, what is a gig? I said, just hold on and watch me do it. And in her presence, in less than 20 minutes, I was able to create a book cover like this, and I forwarded it to the person that requested it, and 100 USD was dropped in my account. She was like, this life no balance. I said, no, this life balance. All you need is the right information. So I'm not hiding anything. I'm going to show you all that. So if this is what excites you, kindly like this video. Thank you so much. You are welcome to my channel. My name is IJAPARI Gang, and I help people to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. And this channel is all about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and I also share on cryptocurrency. Okay, so thank you so much, and let's just go direct to the video without wasting much of your time. So in the description of this video, because most of the time if I say description, so many people used to like, I don't know what the description is. So below the video, all this writing, you just click on more, you will see all this. So I drop a link to how you can first of all put yourself out there as a market, as someone that can deliver a particular service, and then so that people will reach out to you. Okay, so the site I'm talking about is fiverr.com. Yes, and I know I've done something, a similar video like this one, but now we have grown. We are up to 12,000 subscribers, and I noticed that, yes, of a truth, there are a lot of people that don't know about this yet. So it has been upgraded, and I want to share with you. So when you click, it will bring you to where you will sign up. All you need to do is click sign. If you have signed up already, you click on sign in, and if you are new, you click on join. So the moment you click on join, it will bring you to your dashboard. So this is an account that I use for demo. I don't use this account, so that's why you not see the amount of money and all that. I just do it for my video tutorial so that I can be teaching people how to do the same. Okay, so the first thing you see, like right here, this is switch to buying. So if I click on switch to buying, that means I'm putting myself out there that I want someone to come and do one or two services for me. And some people will be like, if it is this simple, why are people asking someone else to do it for them? Yes, there are people that are very busy. There are busy entrepreneurs out there that they don't have time. There are people that are not creative enough to do this. Okay, that is the truth. As you can see right here, there are people. I will guide you through book. Have you ever wondered how? You'll be wondering, some people, how do they write this book? I have spent over 2-3 years trying to write a book, and I couldn't. A lot of people right now, they don't bother. They will just go online, come to Fiverr, and see someone that can write a book for them, and that book will become theirs. Yes, all they need to do is just read through it and change one or two things. As you can see right here, this person said, I will write a novel for you for a movie at $12,000. Yes, and there are a lot of people. There are people that will reach out to him. As you can see, he's even a 5-star. You can imagine how many orders he have gotten for 12,000 USD, and it is possible. You can also do it. So all you need to do is to get something that you're passionate about and that you have idea on, but it doesn't matter even if you don't have any idea on anything. Today I'm going to show you something that even without idea you'll be able to do it, because I will show you how to create it, how to convert it, how to deliver it to the client or the person that wants to buy. And right here, as you can see, some people $5, some 100, some 200. Like me, I create ebook now for 100 USD, and I'll show you how I do that before the end of this video. So, and it's not all about graphic design. There are relationship experts here. There are a lot of people that are doing so many things, just about anything on this app or on this website. So now I will click on switch to selling. That's the first thing you should do if you are new and you want to start selling your own services. So in this, I will show you how I create ebook, how I put myself out there that I can create an ebook, book cover design, how you can also be designing to people both on on Fiverr or even on your page, on your social media handles and all that. Some people used to say that people don't buy. Did you put yourself out there? A lot of us just get discouraged. You just post once, and because people did not like you, people did not reach out to you, you get discouraged. It doesn't work that way, okay? You have to keep working, keep posting, be out there. You have to first of all work on your KLT, let people know you, let people like you, let people begin to trust you, to be able to buy for you. I don't want to talk much on that because I've done a video on how to sell anything to anyone on the internet. I'll link it to the description of this video. So once you come here, the next thing you need to do is you click on gigs right here. So when you click on gig, you click on create a new gig. So when a gig means it's something that you want to offer. So in this case, I will say ebook, but for the sake of the video, I know it's going to be like a course. It's going to be too lengthy. I'm not going to go in details on creating this because you have to do overview, pricing, description, requirement, gallery, publish. So I have a video. I'm linking it up here in the card, and I will drop it in the description of the video. I will also drop it in the comment section on how to create a gig, because a lot of people that have already known Canva, they don't know how to properly optimize and create a gig that will make people to come looking for you over and over again. So you need to watch that video so that you know how to fill all this in a right way. So we assume that you put it like that I will create an ebook cover for you for $100. Don't just say $100 like in that my own. I put it, if you watch that gig video very well, I put $10, and I put that $10 is just ebook cover. Then I put $20 or $30 for the medium, and then I put $100 for premium. That means premium we can do back and forth. If I create it, you can select, you can say no, I don't want this, I don't want to do that, do it this way, do it that way. That is my premium $100 package, and I'm so good at this by the grace of God, to the extent that people now, mostly even the premium package, by the time I create a book cover for you, you will just be marvel at it. Would you look at this now? Please give me a like. Give me a like. Let me zoom it very well. Give me a like if you love this cover, okay? So I do things like this. Let's not waste much of your time. So let's assume you have created a gig. So how do you, after you have told people that you can create ebook cover and convert it to 3D, how do you do that? You just come to Adazin, and in the description of this video again I've put a link to that, okay? You come to Canva. Sorry, you first of all come to Canva. So when you click on this sign up for Canva, it will bring you right here. You sign up, okay? So and then you now just click on ebook, okay? If you click on ebook cover, you will see different templates will come up. So as the template come up, you just check what will resonate with you based on the title, will resonate with the title that the person has given you, okay? Let me pick this one as an example. So let's assume this is what I want to do. And please don't think that as I'm doing all this with a laptop, it has to be with laptop. No, you can actually achieve all this with your phone, and I have a video on how you can convert your mobile phone to a laptop so that you view all this like the way I am viewing right now. So as I click right here, what the next thing I will do is to edit. Anything I don't want, I'll just edit. Let's assume that the name of the book is Idea. Anything I don't want, I will click and then click on delete right here. So I have a lot of video explaining to you all these features, how graphic design, everything about graphic design that I've been doing either with my mobile phone or with my laptop. I will link it in the description of the video, okay? Let me shift this. So right here I will just click on it and then put my name, okay? I'll just type my name here, IJAPARI GYANG. Okay, let's assume I'm done with this, okay? I don't want to waste much time because you can watch that video. I will click on, it's telling me PDF. I'll just make it JPG, okay? JPG is easier to convert to 3D format, okay? So I will click on okay, and I'll click on download. So once this book download, Okay, once this book cover download, I'll come to this site called Adazin. So I will also link it in the description of this video. So in this Adazin, you can convert your your plain book to 3D format. So all you need to do is you come right here to Adazin and choose a particular template. How do you want your book cover to look like? So I will click on this one right here. Okay, I want it to look, I will use this template. So the next thing I will do, I will just click on put my email address. I can either drag and drop this, okay, or I will just click on choose so that it will take me to my laptop. Let me check. Okay, let's say I have choose it, and I'll click on open. Please, if you are enjoying this video, kindly give me a like. Yes, kindly give me a like. This is something I pay a lot of money to learn. Some people used to make just of me that what I learn with money I'll be dishing out for free, and I love it that way. So please give me a like. Give me a like so that others will also see, because it's disheartening somehow for you to work hard, create video, edit it, format it, and all this, and then people are not interested in viewing it. Please like this video. If you are not following me or you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Okay, I will now click on download. As you can see, look at now, look at it's showing me all the sample of how the book will look like. Okay, so but if you want to have access to all this, you have to pay. But for something like this one now, as you can see, as I click on download, it is right here. So it's as simple as that. So now that I have done this, all I need to do is to deliver it to the client on Fiverr. And again, yes, I have complete video on how to deliver it again. Okay, so this is how I am able to make 100 USD. It is not hard, except if you say so. My son is 13, he will be 13 by April, my first child, and my last, I have 4 kids by the grace of God. My last child is 6, he will be 7 by December, so I will say he's 6 years old. But my 12 years, soon to be 13, also do all this. Okay, I know some people like, why do you expose him this early? Because this is a jet age. It's not time that we will keep on saying all that. Please, so you have no excuses at all. If you have able to watch this video, that means you have access, you will be able to do all this. Because I remember I started with Infinix Hot 4 before I upgraded myself to this Tecno Povio. Gradually, I was able to buy a system, a laptop, a Windows. From there, I upgraded myself with my earning. I was able to get an iPhone. From there, I was earning. I now upgrade to Apple laptop, and then I started having all this tripod and all this gradually. Please, you have no excuses at all. This is 2022. You don't have to start jumping. Oh, what is giving money right now? Well, you will not be falling into wrong hands. Please don't do that. Focus. Pick something that you love. You can be good at it if you keep at it. Okay, I have different videos explaining to you all about graphic design, from knowing the colors, the combination, the editing, the proofread, and everything. So please, you have no excuses at all. Thank you so much. If you have watched this long, congratulations. You feel free to share this video. Please feel free to share the video, ask questions in the comment section of the video. I have tons of videos on all online, how to monetize your knowledge, your passion, how to make money on the internet, how to invest in cryptocurrency, how to trade crypto even with your mobile phone, and all that. And if you want me to coach you one-on-one, you can DM me on Instagram. I am IJAPARI_GYANG. Okay, and all the links to my social media handles are in the description of this video. You can reach out to me, but that is if you want to pay for me to coach you. It's not for you to just say hi. But I actually will respond to hi. All right, so thank you so much. And if you want to learn, or you want to also have your own YouTube channel like this one, I have a course teaching you how to kickstart your YouTube channel like a pro in 15 days. The link to that course is in the description of my video right here. Okay, You can click right here and you will have access to it. You can visit my bookstore to also see the books I have written and all that. So thank you so much until I see you in my next video. Bye.